Think you're fast? Prove it. Welcome to Quiz Croc, where hesitation costs you. No time to overthink. No room for mistakes. Stay sharp. Stay focused. Because 1 second can decide everything. If you're ready to take on the challenge, subscribe now and join the Croc crew. Let's begin. Round 1. Take a good look at all four. Quick! Where's the construction worker? The correct answer is number 3. Great job if you got it. Here's something amazing. Those who shape our skylines can pour enough concrete in a single day to fill dozens of swimming pools. One image is different. Can you spot it? Mystery solved. The odd one is here. Something sneaky is about to happen. There it is. Did you catch the change? I work with hypotheses and theories, often in a lab coat, seeking answers that advance our understanding of the world. Scientist, did you crack it? First the riddle, then spot the answer. The answer, it was this one all along. Memorize everything, changes are coming. Revealed, that's what was different. Welcome to round 2. Can you remember all four? Find the hospital. Which number was it? Number 3. Did you nail it? You might not know this, but studies show that patients recovering in care facilities with a view of trees or nature often need less pain medication. They also tend to be discharged sooner than those facing a brick wall. Find the odd one out. Did you catch it? Here's the different one. Memorize this scene, then find what changed. Found it. That's the sneaky change. I am a building where you learn to read and write, often with a bell that marks the day. The answer was school all along. Did you get it? Crack the riddle and find it in the pictures. There it is. Did you spot it? Observe closely, then spot the switch. There it is. Did you catch the change? Round 3. Look at these 4 images carefully. Do you remember where the pilot was? The correct answer is number 1. Great job if you got it. Did you know? On a flight, the captain and first officer eat different meals to prevent simultaneous food poisoning. This small precaution ensures at least one crew member remains well. Your eyes need to be sharp for this one. Revealed. Were your eyes sharp enough? Memorize carefully, then spot the edit. Revealed. That's what was different. I turn the soil and harvest the grain, working hard through sun and rain. Who am I? The answer is farmer. Did you figure it out? Think and look at the same time. There's the odd one. How fast did you find it? Remember well because something will change. That's it. The change was right there. Round 4 begins. Lock these 4 images in your memory. Quick! Where's the chef? And it's number 3. How did you do? You might not know this, but a chef's tall white hat traditionally has 100 pleats. These are said to represent the 100 different ways they can perfectly prepare an egg. Something doesn't belong. Find it. Found it. The odd one was right here. Study this image. Something will change. Spotted. That's what changed. I deal with your clogs and drips, ensuring your water always flows where it should. And it's plumber. High five if you solved it. Riddle first, then eagle eyes. There it is. Did you spot it? Memory challenge. Watch carefully. There's the edit. Was your memory good enough? Round 5. Observe carefully. Find the factory. Which number was it? The answer is number 3. Were you correct? Did you know? Some advanced manufacturing sites are so incredibly clean, their air contains fewer dust particles per cubic foot than the vacuum of outer space. Building just one of these facilities can cost over $10 billion. Which one is the imposter? There's the odd one. How fast did you find it? Something sneaky is about to happen. And there's the answer. Did you see the switch? I work where there's no air to breathe, yet I see the sunrise many times a day as I float. The riddle's answer is astronaut. Your brain and eyes both get a workout. Gotcha! That's the one that doesn't belong. Remember these images, then find what's different. And that's the difference, sharp eyes. That's it for today's challenge. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new quiz. See you in the next one.